Today is our third full day and we're going to head to Discovery Cove. So come with us, come enjoy the day, and I'll probably just be miles away from everybody else because I don't want to spread my germs, but we'll soldier on because I'm such a hero. And here we are, we're at Discovery Cove. The old princess had a snooze on the way here. Jamie's sorting out the camera, but we're here. It is hot. I've decided on an exclusion zone because I don't want any of them to get ill. Mostly Sienna, obviously, but I think it's wise to stay right away because I was not feeling too clever in the car on the way over. So I bought my medicine and I'm going to be in isolation all day, I think. Very handy, they've got some flames going, it could do with a bit more heat. But this is the entrance. If you've never been here before, we're not doing a dolphin swim today. We're just going to eat and swim. I believe the first order of the day is breakfast. Hopefully we've made it in time. I know we made it in time. I'm over exaggerating, so we're all going to go in and get some breakfast. Free food all day. Well, you know what I mean when I say free food all day, but in the Laguna Grill you get some breakfast. I got breakfast sausage, breakfast potatoes and some yogurt stuff. I hate blueberries, but I wanted yogurt, so soft on my throat. Blue drink. And here's the infamous birds. My daughter absolutely hates. They're over there. I'm in isolation. They got loads of good food, so we're going to chow down. Sienna's got her eyes on the birds. Hopefully somebody will stop scraping their chair on the floor in a minute. But yeah, there she is. You're going to do damage to those birds later. You're right. Yeah, I can see it. It's a bird. Uh-oh. Another kid just stamped his feet. Sienna's going to be massively interested in them. I hope a bird doesn't come out. Jess is not good with birds. He just went behind you. What a day to be ill when you get all-inclusive food. I had the 2 yogurts, I couldn't eat anymore. But the rest of them did alright, so that's good news. And now they're going to go and get changed, which might involve getting into a snorkeling costume. I won't be, because I'm about to die. Hopefully I'm going to get this sorted before the park shuts. Seems to be like bits and pieces going back and forth, so I think park shuts at 5. Sienna's got herself one, I don't know if she's going to keep it on or not, but we'll see.
Try it for now. To keep her protect your legs from the sun. Yeah, I will do that, George.
Fun fact, when we came about probably more like 7 or 8 years ago, we saw Ian Poulter, the golfer, on this beach. Obviously didn't irritate him because he'd be rude, but yeah, star searching, famous golfer, practicing his bunker shot presumably. I don't know what's going on over there, but sparrows are loving life in that sand. The rest of them went over and got into the, I think it's a lazy river, I can't remember. I haven't been able to look at a map, to be honest, so Sienna's all suited and booted in her wetsuit and they're going to have a spin round there. But these sparrows, I don't know what it is. Good old sand bath anyway. How did it go?
She survived.
Yeah?
It wasn't easy.
Did you go all the way round?
Yeah, it's like 8 feet deep in there.
Yeah. It's nice, yeah. How'd you get on, Sienna? Well, fell over. Uh-oh, she can't get up. Jess, help her up. You right, Sienna? Did you enjoy it? I think I've been attacked by a bird, Jess. I was lying here and I had my eyes shut and one fluttered over my head. There's loads of sparrows sort of having a sand dance over there. They've done it again. Little monkeys. You right, Sienna? How was it? Good? Oh.
Oh, rubbish. Lovely.
What's that? Probably best to leave that alone. So the drugs might have worked and I feel more hungry now, so I got a couple of wraps, some pudding and a salad. What's your problem? Huh?
Why are you sat 45 yards away?
Because I'm still contagious and I'm trying to help you lot out because I'm great like that. Anyway, let's see how much of this I could eat this time. We were both just sitting here wondering, did you have to go and make your own
No,
food?
we were queuing. There was loads of people waiting for tacos and stuff.
It feels like you went away about a week ago.
Felt like it too.
Huh?
Felt like it too. I was hungry.
We were worried we would send our search party for you.
I got a bit of cake and then I saw another cake that I preferred the look of, so I ended up with 2 cakes.
It's on your conscience, not ours.
Right, I'm going to put this in my mouth now. Go on then. Go on. Right, I'm going to do it. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, let's not do that again, shall we? Right, can you leave now?
o'clock in the afternoon and it's raining. Well, we've got an umbrella, so all good. Claire, Jessie, Alex and Sienna are going to find the bird enclosure. Jamie, you're there. You're there. Anything to say? No. Good. This probably isn't going to be a very long vlog because I'm a wuss and my cough won today, so I probably haven't got a great deal of stuff, but what we will have got I will have put up, so I think we're going to probably head home after this. Did the rain get you?
A bit cold now.
Did you get you, Sienna? You don't care, the birds don't care. It is a bit rainy. We knew this was coming though, didn't we?
We knew it was coming.
Still don't make it right.
Don't run lightning.
What?
We're under an umbrella.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's the point, yeah. Where's some lightning hit at once, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's run.
Really loud.
We need to get out of here. What?
What?
Why is that?
Swimming.
No, do it, Ray. Thanks for that anyway. That's great information.
I saw the bird.
You saw the birds? Are you scared of them?
Yeah.
Okay. Great day then. I couldn't shake the lurgy. Who cares? The rest of them did alright. They got all their water stuff in. Hopefully there's some footage. I have no idea how long this vlog is going to be because I don't know how much footage we've got, to be honest. Sat here now. We're now off to find a Hertz. We're going to try and add Jamie to the car insurance for a couple of days. He's only 22, but we think we can work it out to about £30 something a day, $30 a day for a couple of days. Because as you can see, I've got cold. And it's at a stage where I might puke as well, so we all thought for safety reasons it'd probably be better if Jamie is driving for a couple of days while I try and recover and we can get on with our lives. So yeah, we had a great day here today. Well, no, I didn't, because I didn't get in the water at all. Everybody else did, and that's what's important. Sienna had a great day. Right, and a bit of bonus footage for this vlog. Basically, my illness kept us from going out to Universal today, so we sort of changed into a rest day. Jessie, Alex, Sienna, Claire went to the outlets, and me and Jamie stayed and watched some NFL. So we've taken a stroll over to the facilities, or the pool, get Sienna have a little dip in this pool. It's a really nice area. They've got a lazy river here and a few bars. There's a bar over there. You can watch the NFL. Lazy pool is over there, or lazy river. It's actually got some flumes over there as well, but yeah, it's a nice big pool, 0 entry type. So we brought Sienna over today to have a little splish splash. Then hopefully we're going to go out this evening to LongHorn and to Disney Springs. So yeah, so unfortunately didn't have a great night last night, so kind of we changed our plans, and it worked out for everybody because Claire and Jessie and Alex and that got about a 4-hour shopping stint this morning, which they were chuffed about. Not the payment side of it, but they enjoyed it. We've gone out to LongHorn tonight. Yeah, so this is a follow-on day still, but it's our tradition. We love LongHorn when we come out here. There's loads of people that don't, but it's all a choice thing, isn't it? So I thought I'd do a bit of a vlog from LongHorn to end this video with, because this will be the end of this video. We can't do anything else today, it's too late. Sienna's there sticking her hands in the air like she just don't care. Right, yes, hopefully we'll get a table quite quickly and then start eating, because this is a place that we love.
When there's a pushchair that's not yours, you can't take it down there. Okay?
What on earth is going on?
Simon, no. No. It's not your pushchair. It's not your pushchair. I know. It's a shame. No. No. Still want for an hour. Really?
What is
Today. What?
She's learning how to rob stuff.
Absolute horror.
Can't rifle through other people's backs.
Oh!
Go see mummy. Go see
Oh
mummy.
my god.
Well,
I seem to remember that strawberry lemonade being nice.
their strawberry lemonade is very good, yes. All of it's very good, to be fair. We've started making our choices, so we're getting raspberry lemonades, which are delightful. And of course, Jamie's going to have the LongHorn because it's the most expensive thing that's on this list. That's how he usually judges what you guys, isn't it, Jamie?
Yep.
Not something you actually like, just what the most expensive is.
I do like it.
Such your average strawberry lemonade, and everyone else has raspberry lemonade.
Because you've all got terrible taste.
Yeah, so it may not be what he actually wants, but it's the most expensive.
I didn't.
Strawberry lemonade, raspberry lemonade, strawberry lemonade, raspberry lemonade.
There's plastic ones up there. Plastic ones back at the filler. We put one of those out.
The bread course has arrived.
She's like trying to shoot like all of
Sienna's eating a straw, as you do.
It's definitely a big chunk.
Is this for you, Sienna? You gonna get some?
I mean, I can't cut this.
Yeah, that's evident, to be honest.
Keep your fingers away from the sharp knife.
That's the size of a LongHorn. I got a sirloin. Here's a meal. I may have mentioned that already, but that's what I got.
Just scroll it down a bit. Scroll it down a bit.
Mummy said you love mashed potato. Why are you spitting it back out?
Almost predictably, Jamie's struggled with his food.
Please explain to me. I've had one entire salad. I've had one entire steak. I'm now a third of the way through my mac and cheese. Who's struggling here?
We've been here for about an hour and a half, though.
Look at struggling.
I know,
Have a look over
but to
there.
be fair, Alex did it in about 5 seconds. And
That
it's-
wasn't who I was referring to. I was referring to the one on the edge who's just barely started.
why are you struggling so
I'm not
badly?
struggling. I had a whole salad before this.
Yeah, whole salad.
Only for me, I had 5 donuts.
Why are you defending it?
No.
Hang on a second.
I just want everything.
At least I eat stuff. You just look at it apparently. You buy it, just stare at it and take a picture for Instagram and then put it back.
Anyway, this is about you, being greedy. Eat it.
I'm eating it.
How many drinks have you had?
4.
See? That's the problem.
Oh, that was a yummy steak.
We all enjoyed that, Jess. How did you get on with your dinner tonight?
I ate it all.
Did you eat it all?
I ate it all.
When you said you ate it all,
I had about 3 ounces of my 6-ounce steak.
yeah? I thought you was going to like put it all away, yeah? What?
I'm full.
You're a fool for a 3-year-old child.
That's why I went to an off-ramp.
We finished. That come to $192. Jess is kind of going to pay for us, which is very good, to be honest. It's,
What's less than everyone?
yeah, I know, but on average, come to 109. You need to try it on a lizard then. Yeah, so that was $192, so which had less than $40 per person, so all good. We enjoyed it. Sienna, as you may have seen, had varying degrees of success with her food, so this is genuinely the end of this vlog.